Alright, so we got our tank sprayer here. A little bit of the bleach jug. Did some awesome miscalculating where that's a 1.5-ish gallon sprayer. Wanted to do 50-50, so we ended up dumping a little in the ground over there. But we got kind of a 50-50 bleach to water here. If you follow along closely enough, you know this big, beautiful box behind us is the family fun mover. Previously, we had to seal up a window that was leaking. We got several more to do on there, by the way. We got that taken care of. We thought it was a pretty good time to finally do that roof sealant treatment that we've been meaning to do for about a year or two now. Let's get up there, see if we can't doctor this thing up. Make it last a little longer. Good times. Just gotta drag this hose and the pressure washer up on top there without falling off the ladder. Something's missing in there. Oh, and another cool thing is we put the cord in the hatch. Now to shut. Okay, after about 10 trips up and down, we got everything we need up here. We're gonna lightly pressure wash the top, get everything wet. Soak her down with the bleach solution. Don't let it dry. Hose it back off. That's the plan anyways. Leave the line out. All right. The old electrical here. That's getting the dirt off. So you got a damaged spot right there. Looks like probably from bird poop or tree branch bouncing off the top. Fun, fun. I'm gonna have to take that ancient thing up to clear the spot, so up and down again. So if you're questioning it, I wasn't gonna do this, but look at all this black stuff coming off of here. I don't know if it gives it justice with the contrast. See all the crisscross lines, because I just did that real quick. All the black layer of dirt. So I don't know how well it's showing up on camera here. We got this, I don't know, black kind of discoloration. That's dirty for my fingers, but those black dots, those have been there. Hopefully when we put the new coating on, that'll cover all that up and make it all nice bright white again. We got some kind of like mold algae there from the antenna being down. Conveniently, did this previously, but we broke the vent cap previously, just poking it, and things dry rotted. Gotta get a new one of those. And then also here today, we broke a chunk out of that, so we gotta get a new one of those vent covers. Yeah. Let's get our bleach pumped up. I'll probably do half at a time because it's really windy and hot. All right, let's just do the whole top. Got her all cleaned up, looking pretty darn good. We even got the plastics on the AC and the window hatches cleaned up. Pretty windy out now, looks like it's nice and dry. Got some fresh bird poop here, compliments of all of our friends. It's great. But it turned out really nice. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get that new sealer on here. Got some spots here you can see where the material is damaged, so that's a good thing. We're going to get her resealed. Also, there's like some definite spots where you can tell that the coating is damaged, probably from a tree branch or bird poop sitting on it. And hopefully tomorrow we'll get this all sealed up in a nice bright new white and a brand new finish that's going to seal and protect this roof. So getting ready to seal the roof here. We got her all taped off, and before we noticed the right way to do this, we put 1-inch tape right here just on this little, I guess, rubber cap to cover a nailer. We put it right on there, and then we wanted to cover up this drip lip, so we put 2-inch tape over it. After we figured out we're going to do it that way, this side we went straight ahead and just went 2-inch tape all the way. That way you're not getting any of that goo down into your little drip lip gutter here. Let's get it all taped off. Luckily on this side we got the awning up there, and that awning needs to be replaced, so we're not going to bother taping behind that. It's going to get ripped off of here. So if you're going to replace your awning, perfect time. Get the roof sealed right before you do it. We're gonna lift the bucket of goo up here. I don't know about you, but I don't trust that little ladder. I don't trust this little ladder over here. So we're gonna take it up the big ladder. You gotta keep in mind the weight capacity of this thing. I'm probably pretty close to it. And I don't think I can carry a 5-gallon bucket and me up that ladder. Taller ladder would help. Yeah, there's no way I could have got that up the little straight ladder on the back. Whew. I'm trying to brush the seams of the immediate area that we're going to do right now. We don't want to do the whole thing in advance because I don't want it to skim over. So we're just going to do this front seam, try to get the edges, get the roller out to this area. So I don't fall off the roof. Pretty thick consistency. I'm gonna really work it in the grooves of this crack filler, well, caulk, seam caulk, whatever you want to call it. So this stuff is thick is an understatement. It's real heavy. We got a 1/2-inch roller here. Nice. Trying to do a left or right pattern here, but didn't really come up with a good plan. I don't want to get really close to the edge. This stuff's really slippery and my stupid roller keeps punching itself off the end. I don't know if you can see, but conveniently a leaf blew off into the top there already. That's great. No getting that out of there. Basically, a whole bunch of the same. We're going to try to go left or right, and then if we have enough, we're going to do a second coat front to back. That's the plan anyhow. That this stuff goes on, but the roller works off. Assume we'll get the hang of it by then. Turned out really good. It left a really nice high reflective finish, which I hope is going to make the RV cooler on the inside. Hopefully seal everything up. Big important thing that I noticed here. Yeah, I accidentally touched that. Thought I could put it on there, cover it up. No, don't do that. Should have took the cover completely off or taped that so I didn't bump it. So definitely tape anything that you don't want that's goo to go on. But otherwise, relatively easy to apply, and it looks fantastic. Oh yeah. Just a quick recap of what you might not have seen in the video. Step 1, we hosed it all off, hit it with the 50-50 bleach solution, hosed it all off again, and then of course we applied the goo as you've seen in the video in the left to right fashion. Let it dry 4 to 6 hours, and then came back right before dark and got in the second coat going front to back on the RV. And it just turned out fantastic. Things I would do differently. I would buy 2 brand new rollers, the actual metal handled rollers, and have a brand new one for the second coat, and also a brand new tray. Got a little bit of flakiness that hung around for the second coat, but no big deal. Thanks for watching, everybody.